What's up, 3D creators? Welcome to my show. In this episode, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be making a building in 5 minutes or less. This is the building challenge. So, stay tuned. We're going to start right now. Hi everyone, welcome to my show, Nathan's 3D Factory. My name is Nathan Adams. In this show, I do Blender 3D models, and I export them for 3D printables. If you like my stuff, make sure to go to shembo.com for all my other video series, and also subscribe for more, and make sure to hit that notification bell for every time that I give you a new video. You can also check out my stuff by going to facebook.com/Shembo Studio if you want to give me a like on Facebook. You can follow me also at Shembo Studio on Twitter. And finally, you can follow me at Shembo Studio on Instagram as well. You are watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Alright guys, so here we're in our default scene with the cube. We're in Blender 2.8 as we're doing this one. So first thing first, I'm not going to delete the cube. Typically, I would do that. But you know what? In this case, we want to keep the cube. Alright, I'm going to rename this building. Okay. The same thing. Boom. To that. Now I'm going to go into edit mode, grab on the Z-axis, 1 unit up. Now I'm going to use metric units on this, and this will be to millimeters. So I'm going to do 60 by 60 by 60. Now, Control A, scale. Next, go into edit mode. I got a couple things I want to do here. I want to get this so that I have a trim on the top of it. We'll save this for later. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to separate this. There we go. There. And it didn't seem to like that. So, let's try that again. So something happened. Let's try that again. No. Okay. Can't seem to select that. Okay, now I did it. That was ridiculous. Alright, so it did what it was supposed to. I just didn't see it. Anyway, so that was kind of a distraction. Would you agree? Now, first, we go through this, and we're going to split this down the middle. We're also going to do G, C, 20. units high for Windows. Now I'm going to bring this over to X5. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this bottom. I'm not going to worry about the floors. We can have this so it's a nice little lamp object or something. Take the faces off of there. Take your faces off. Okay, now that I've done that, I just kind of used this edge loop as a guide. So, I'm getting rid of that one. I just don't need it now. Okay. This GX10. All right, there we go. All right, so now I have some doors, and I'm pretty soon gonna have some windows. There we go. Do that for these X faces. Oh yeah, can't forget you, little window fella. Need your face too. All right. Anyway, so now that we have those, I am going to make some trim for it. So. Do similar to what we did with this other one, but this time we're just going to take the edges. We're not going to take the face. I don't know why I did it that time. It is what it is. Okay. Now Shift D, P selection. Now, I'm going to select this one. This time, I'm doing it with the outliner. Much smarter. Now, window dot trim. I'm going to call it that. I want to reset the origin. So, I'm going to take cursor to selected, and then going to do let's see, in that one we're going to do origin, set origin to 3D cursor. There we go. Okay, ES. Alright, now this is set to increment. I always forget. Set it to vertex first before I start doing that. GX. I always like to use vertex for this stuff. I really like to snap to my vertices. GX. 1. I think it was. May have been 2, I can't remember exactly. Yeah, actually I like it like this. One thing I forgot to do here is I forgot to do the solidify modifier. Very important. I want my wall thickness on this. So I'm going to do that right now while I'm thinking about it. So solidify, here we go. I want this to be a thickness of 3. 3. Actually, it's 2. Something like that. Anyway. Okay, this one, I'm going to do a solidify as well. That one, thought I'd gotten it window through. Oh, okay, I just renamed the object data that. I am really rambling right now. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay. That's looking good. Okay. Now, we're going to duplicate this. Shift D, X. And that one I know I'm going to have to move. X equals 1. There, now I think I got it. Okay. There we go. These 3 now I'll pull down here. C, -30. Okay. So, with the exception of this one, we got everything done for this window and door trim. Well, I got it. I was kind of losing my visibility there, guys. Forgot I did not apply these modifiers. Oh my goodness. That actually really does make it a lot easier. Okay, now I got my door. So that one. Okay, now back to this one. Remember we did this at the very beginning? Yeah, this guy's gonna get it now. Oh wait, no, I didn't want to do that. This time we're gonna inset faces. Do it in such a way that it goes outward. If we can. Not looking like it so much, is it? that. Easy. Good. 2, I think. So, there we go. Solid, not rendered. So there we go. Got something simple there. And so I think I'm going to stop there because I don't want to run this too long. So I think we got ourselves a nice little building. We probably got more than 5 minutes, but you know what? I had fun. I hope you did too. So you got to see me goof around and kind of just like stumble through this like a klutz. So anyway, save that there. Save blend file. And there we go. So thank you so much for watching this show with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you leave comments below. You know, if there's a studio challenge you'd like to see me do, then let me know in the comments below. I also do this on my Discord server. I'll provide a link for that as well. And I hope you join the fun there. And make sure to subscribe for more future episodes. Thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory.